Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on making groups equal. Making groups equal is similar to sharing. When you share equally, the two groups contain exactly the same number of items. Example 1. Tom has 3 marbles and Bill has 1 marble. Tom gives Bill 1 marble. Now they have the same number of marbles. So when Tom gives Bill one of his marbles, we can see now that Tom has 2 marbles and Bill has 2 marbles, and they have the same number. Example 2. Mary has 4 matches and Sue has 2 matches. Mary gives Sue 1 match. Now they have the same number of matches, so you can see now that Mary has 3 when she gives 1 away. She's given 1 away to Sue, which has increased her number from 2 to 3. Now they have the same number. So we go very slowly with this to give students the idea of how you can make 2 groups equal. Example 3. Kel has 8 pens and Sam has 4 pens. Kel gives Sam 2 pens. Now they have the same number of pens. So for example, when Kel gives Sam, for example, these 2 pens here, okay, they go across to there. That means Kel only has 6 left. Sam now has 4 plus 2, which is 6. So they both have 6. So you'd work slowly with this. Don't rush it, and let the students use the concrete material. I think that's very important, so they can possibly work in pairs and have concrete materials on the desk, and I don't think they'll have too much trouble. Example 4. John has 10 jelly beans and Monty has 4 jelly beans. How many jelly beans does John need to give to Monty so that they end up with the same number of jelly beans? So now they have to work this out for themselves. They know that John has to give Monty some jelly beans, but they're going to have to work it out for themselves. How many does John need to give to Monty? So they both have the same number. If they have concrete materials, there won't be any problems. They can do trial and error, and I'm sure in the end they'll arrive at the answer. Example 5. Circle the number of marbles in Group A that you would need to move to Group B so that the 2 groups end up with the same number of marbles. So it's the same principle here. We have a number of marbles here, a number of marbles there. Clearly the number of marbles in each group is not the same, so we have to move some from there to there. So the students have to work out how many. Example 6. This is a little interesting one, this one, because we have 3 groups. We have Group A, Group B and Group C. In Group A we have 5 matches, Group B 4 matches, Group C 3 matches. For the above 3 groups, make 3 new groups using the matches shown so that all 3 new groups have the same number of matches. So it's the same idea, except the students are working with 3 groups. So the important thing here is let them use concrete materials on their desk, lead them through it very slowly, and I'm sure they'll get the idea.